Alright YouTube, back for another one. And this is kind of like older videos that I used to do a lot. Now it's periodically, you know. 3% hydrogen peroxide, 91% isopropyl alcohol. These two joints, these are gems right here. Because you can find these in almost any freaking store. But Walmart especially has got like these bigger ones. And it's like they're a quart each, and they're like dirt cheap. I think this is like $1. This used to be like more than hydrogen peroxide, like $1.50 probably for this bottle. It is actually $2.50 now at Walmart. So alcohol is going up, has went up, but $2.50 for this big ass bottle. Probably go to your big box stores and probably get it for even cheaper and maybe even a bigger bottle. But these things, I mean, they're handy dandy and 1,000,001 purposes, you know. Obviously treatment of cuts and abrasions, we all know, but gargle or rinse. I've used this for gargle or rinse when I didn't have no you know, mouthwash. This right here, 1,000,001 uses for. You already know that. So you got both of these big bottles. They come sealed, so you could even flip the lid off. They come sealed, so you got to pull that seal off. So you could, who knows? This probably lasts forever. Probably both of them probably last forever. Both sealed up. So 1,000,001 uses. Great prepping item and super cheap, and you could get, you know, say two, 3, 4, 5 of these, make it a 6-pack for each, whatever, or make it a six-pack combined with 3 of these and 3 of these, and you know what I mean, you're off to the races. Keeping clean. Also, you know, maybe fire starting. You see me do fire starting with that, the little penny stove that people complained about you can't do. Yeah, so more prepping items, more little ideas kind of, and you can go back and look at some of the other videos I did. I'll add this to the playlist. You know, bleach is a great one. You can usually find bleach for super duper cheap. So these two and bleach, I actually need to get more bleach. You can never have enough bleach in my opinion. So it's Tactical Tone and another prepping joint. Peace.